Looking for the ultimate gaming experience in 2025? Well, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're diving into the 9 best NVIDIA GeForce RTX 40 series gaming laptops. Mind-blowing frame rates and unbeatable performance. Whether you're into AAA titles or high-end esports, these laptops are built to take your gaming to the next level. Let's see which one will dominate your next gaming session. Number 1. Alienware X17R2. The Alienware X17R2 takes the gaming laptop experience to new heights, offering an unprecedented combination of performance, design, and cutting-edge technology. As one of the most advanced gaming laptops available, it's engineered for enthusiasts who demand exceptional power. The star of the show is the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4090 GPU, which is fully capable of handling the most demanding games at ultra settings. This GPU supports ray tracing and DLSS 4.0, making it perfect for experiencing next-gen graphics with exceptional realism and high frame rates. The laptop's 17.3-inch 4K UHD display offers a jaw-dropping visual experience, featuring a 144 Hz refresh rate, ensuring smooth and fluid gameplay. Whether you're immersed in high-speed action games or exploring expansive open worlds, the crisp visuals and vibrant colors bring games to life in unprecedented detail. Under the hood, the Intel Core i9-14900HX processor and up to 64 GB DDR5 RAM deliver extraordinary multitasking capabilities. This ensures that the laptop can handle not only gaming but also demanding tasks like video editing, 3D rendering, and streaming, all without skipping a beat. Moreover, the 4TB PCI Gen 5 SSD ensures that you have ample storage for even the most extensive gaming libraries while delivering blazing fast load times. Alienware's advanced Cryotech cooling system is another standout feature, utilizing vapor chamber technology to efficiently dissipate heat during intense gaming sessions. This keeps the laptop running cool and quiet even when you're pushing it to its limits. Its magnesium alloy chassis not only provides robust durability but also gives the laptop a premium look and feel, while customizable RGB lighting allows you to personalize the device's aesthetic. With the Alienware X17R2, you're not just buying a laptop, you're investing in a complete gaming powerhouse. Number 2. Razer Blade 18. The Razer Blade 18 is a true testament to Razer's commitment to building premium, high-performance laptops. Featuring the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4080 GPU, it's packed with power, offering an impressive balance of sleek design and top-tier performance. The laptop's 18-inch QHD display with a 240 Hz refresh rate provides an exceptional visual experience, offering vibrant colors and crisp clarity perfect for gamers who demand precision. Powered by the Intel Core i9-14980HX processor, the Razer Blade 18 can handle the most demanding tasks with ease, from gaming to content creation. The RTX 4080 GPU, in combination with DLSS 4.0, enables stunning visuals with ray tracing capabilities that deliver exceptional realism. The laptop also comes with up to 64 GB DDR5 RAM and 4 TB PCI Gen 4 SSD storage, ensuring you have the power and capacity needed for multitasking and storing large files. The CNC milled aluminum unibody design gives the Razer Blade 18 a sleek, minimalist aesthetic, and it's impressively thin considering the power it packs. Despite its slim profile, the Blade 18 is built to last, offering durability without compromising on performance. Whether you're gaming at home or on the go, this laptop offers the versatility to handle it all without sacrificing design or power. Number 3. ASUS ROG Zephyrus G16. For gamers who crave a combination of portability and power, the ASUS ROG Zephyrus G16 is an ideal choice. Featuring the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070, this laptop provides excellent performance for both casual and competitive gaming. The 16-inch mini LED display with a 165 Hz refresh rate delivers vivid visuals and fluid gameplay, ensuring that every action-packed scene is captured with remarkable clarity and smoothness. Equipped with the AMD Ryzen 9-8950HX processor, the Zephyrus G16 is perfect for multitasking and demanding workloads, offering smooth performance whether you're gaming or working on creative projects. With 32 GB DDR5 RAM and a 2 TB PCI Gen 5 SSD, this laptop has the storage and speed necessary for quick load times and efficient multitasking. The liquid metal and vapor chamber cooling system is an innovative solution to keeping the Zephyrus G16 cool during extended gaming sessions. The compact and lightweight design makes it highly portable, perfect for gamers who need to take their setup on the go without sacrificing power. Whether you're streaming, gaming, or creating, the ASUS ROG Zephyrus G16 offers an exceptional gaming experience that doesn't compromise on portability. Number 4. Lenovo Legion Pro 9i. The Lenovo Legion Pro 9i is a powerful yet affordable option for gamers who don't want to compromise on performance. Equipped with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4080, this laptop can handle high-end gaming with ease. The 16-inch WQXGA display with a 240Hz refresh rate ensures smooth and responsive gameplay, making it ideal for competitive gamers. The Intel Core i7-14850HX processor provides exceptional performance for gaming and productivity tasks, ensuring that your system can handle multitasking effortlessly. Lenovo's Legion AI engine optimizes performance dynamically based on your needs, ensuring efficient cooling and power management during extended gaming sessions. With 64GB DDR5 RAM and 4TB PCI Gen 4 SSD storage, the Legion Pro 9i offers both the power and storage needed for demanding tasks. Whether you're gaming, creating, or working, the Legion Pro 9i is a versatile choice that delivers excellent performance at a more affordable price. Number 5. HP Omen Transcend 16. The HP Omen Transcend 16 is an all-around gaming powerhouse designed for gamers who want high performance without compromise. Powered by the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 GPU, it offers excellent performance across a wide range of games. The 16-inch OLED display provides incredible contrast and rich colors, making every gaming session a visual treat. Equipped with AMD's Ryzen 9 8950HX processor, the Omen Transcend 16 can handle demanding applications while ensuring smooth gaming performance. With 32GB DDR5 RAM and 2TB PCI Gen 5 SSD storage, you'll have ample space for your games and files, as well as fast load times for a seamless gaming experience. Additionally, the Bang & Olufsen Tune speakers deliver immersive audio that enhances the overall gaming experience, making the HP Omen Transcend 16 a well-rounded choice for gamers who demand both power and aesthetics. Number 6. Acer Predator Helios 18. Acer's Predator Helios 18 is a powerful gaming laptop that offers top-tier performance for gamers who demand the best. With its robust hardware configuration, it's built to handle the most demanding AAA games with ease. Powered by the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4080 GPU, it ensures that the latest games run smoothly, offering ultra-realistic graphics and exceptional frame rates. The RTX 4080 is equipped with ray tracing, providing stunning lighting effects and reflections, taking your gaming experience to the next level. The 18-inch QHD display is one of the largest on this list, offering an immersive experience with a 240Hz refresh rate for buttery smooth gameplay. Whether you're playing fast-paced shooters or open-world RPGs, the visuals are crisp and fluid, ensuring that you never miss a beat. The high refresh rate also reduces motion blur and ghosting, which is essential for competitive gamers who rely on quick reflexes. Under the hood, the Intel Core i9-14980HX processor delivers impressive performance across gaming and multitasking tasks. Paired with up to 64GB DDR5 RAM, the Predator Helios 18 can handle heavy workloads and multitasking without any lag or slowdowns. This laptop also comes with up to 4TB PCI Gen 4 SSD storage, providing lightning-fast load times for games, media, and large files, ensuring that you have all the space you need for your gaming library and creative work. One of the key features that set this laptop apart is Acer's 5th-gen AeroBlade 3D fan technology. This advanced cooling solution keeps the laptop cool even during intense gaming sessions, preventing thermal throttling and ensuring that the laptop maintains high performance. The design is also highly durable, with a premium build that looks and feels solid. The RGB keyboard adds a touch of personalization, and the laptop's aesthetic is sleek and aggressive, fitting perfectly in the gaming world. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or creating content, the Acer Predator Helios 18 is an excellent choice for gamers who need uncompromising performance in an 18-inch powerhouse. It strikes a perfect balance between aesthetics, performance, and functionality. Number 7. Gigabyte AORUS 17X. The Gigabyte AORUS 17X is a formidable gaming laptop that brings cutting-edge technology to your fingertips. Equipped with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4080, it offers a visual experience that's second to none. The RTX 4080 delivers exceptional performance with support for real-time ray tracing and DLSS, which enhances both the visual fidelity and the smoothness of your gameplay. It's designed for gameplay. It's designed for gamers who crave high-quality visuals and high frame rates, even in the most demanding titles. The 17.3-inch QHD display with a 165Hz refresh rate ensures a vibrant, fluid gaming experience, allowing you to fully immerse yourself in the world of your games. The high refresh rate reduces motion blur and makes fast-moving objects appear clear, which is critical for competitive gaming where every frame matters. Whether you're exploring vast open worlds or engaging in fast-paced online matches, the AORUS 17X's display brings your games to life with incredible detail and fluidity. Under the hood, the Intel Core i9-14900HX processor ensures that the AORUS 17X can handle the heaviest tasks with ease. From gaming to multitasking, the CPU provides the power needed to run the latest games and applications at peak performance. With 32GB DDR5 RAM and a 2TB PCIe 5 SSD, you have more than enough memory and storage space to handle any workload. The large SSD ensures fast boot times and quick loading of large games and files, while the ample RAM allows you to run multiple programs simultaneously without any slowdown. The AORUS 17X also features a robust cooling system to keep temperatures in check during demanding sessions. Whether you're gaming or working on resource-intensive tasks, you can count on the AORUS 17X to stay cool and maintain optimal performance. Its durable design ensures it can withstand the rigors of daily use, making it a reliable choice for gamers who need a laptop that can stand the test of time. Number 8. ASUS TUF Dash F15. The ASUS TUF Dash F15 is a fantastic option for gamers who are looking for performance at a more affordable price point. Despite being budget-friendly, this laptop doesn't compromise on power. It comes equipped with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060 GPU, which offers great gaming performance at 1080p and even 1440p in many titles. It's an excellent option for casual and competitive gamers who want great visuals without breaking the bank. The 15.6-inch Full HD display with a 144Hz refresh rate ensures that you get smooth and responsive gameplay, essential for fast-paced titles like FPS games. The high refresh rate reduces ghosting and motion blur, providing a more immersive experience, particularly in competitive gaming. Whether you're gaming on the go or sitting at home, the TUF Dash F15's display ensures that you get vibrant, clear visuals with a smooth frame rate. Powered by the Intel Core i7-13700H processor, this laptop delivers plenty of power to handle multitasking and demanding games. It ensures smooth performance for gaming, content creation, and everything in between. With 16GB DDR5 RAM and 1TB PCI Gen 4 SSD storage, the TUF Dash F15 offers the perfect balance of speed and capacity. The SSD ensures that your games and files load quickly, while the 16GB of RAM provides enough memory for multitasking without slowing down the system. The durable design of the ASUS TUF Dash F15 is another key selling point. It's built to withstand the rigors of travel and everyday use, with military-grade durability that ensures your laptop can take a beating. The efficient cooling system also helps keep the laptop from overheating during intense gaming sessions. Overall, the TUF Dash F15 provides an excellent combination of price and performance, making it a great choice for gamers on a budget. Number 9. Dell G16. The Dell G16 is an excellent gaming laptop that provides a combination of versatility and power. Equipped with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 GPU, this laptop delivers impressive gaming performance and smooth visuals, making it ideal for both casual gamers and those who enjoy more demanding games. The RTX 4070 ensures that the latest games are rendered with realistic lighting and ray tracing effects, bringing your gaming experiences to life with vibrant colors and enhanced realism. The 16-inch QHD display with a 165Hz refresh rate offers sharp visuals and fluid gameplay. The high refresh rate ensures smooth transitions during fast-moving gameplay, providing a competitive edge in online multiplayer games. With the QHD resolution, you get crisp details and rich colors, allowing you to fully immerse yourself in the virtual world. Powered by the Intel Core i7-14700HX processor, excels at multitasking and running demanding applications. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or working on creative projects, the processor ensures that the system remains responsive. Coupled with 32GB DDR5 RAM and a 2TB PCIe 4 SSD, the G16 provides ample storage and fast read-write speeds. The large SSD ensures that your games and files load quickly, while the 32GB of RAM ensures that you can multitask without slowdowns. Dell's Game Shift technology is another noteworthy feature of the G16. This feature allows you to optimize performance during gaming sessions with a simple press of a button, ensuring that your system runs at peak performance. The dual-fan cooling system also helps to keep the laptop cool during long gaming marathons, ensuring that it runs efficiently without thermal throttling. The Dell G16 is a reliable gaming laptop that provides excellent performance, a stunning display, and efficient cooling. With its powerful components and customizable features, it's a solid choice for gamers who want a laptop that can handle gaming, multitasking, and productivity with ease. That wraps up our list of the 10 best NVIDIA GeForce RTX 40 series gaming laptops of 2025. Which one caught your eye? Let us know in the comments below. And hey, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss out on our latest tech reviews. Game on, and we'll see you in the next one.